Revit 2024 is available now, and I'm going to show you a major change in Revit. Okay, so now you can enable dark theme in Revit. To enable dark theme in Revit, you should go to view, and then you can enable canvas theme. Okay, so this canvas theme sets color theme of canvas to dark or light. Okay, if I enable, so you can see here only the drawing area is changing it to black. Actually, this canvas theme is changing the background color to dark. Especially it makes all the white color to dark color and the dark color to white color. Okay, in case if you want to change the application theme to dark, then you can go to file, then go for options. Here go to colors. Here you can see UI active theme. Now it is set to light. If you change this to dark and if you apply, and you can see everything is dark theme. Okay, cool, right? In case if you enable canvas theme again, so that's going to change the drawing area only. Okay, even I was expecting for this change for a long period of time. Okay, let me know what you think about this dark theme. Okay. Thank you, bye bye.